What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. This has been a highly requested video reviewing and testing the MK170 small compact tabletop tile saw. Now, MK tile saws have been around for a very long time. Back in the day, they were well built, all metal, the price tag was very high. You had your MK tile saws, your Husqvarna tile saws, or your Target tile saws. And what we're gonna do is quite simple. Unbox it, fill it with water, and put it to the test. We will cut glass, a porcelain plank, as well as ceramic. Now real quick on specs, this comes equipped with a 1/2 horsepower motor. It includes a 7-inch blade. It claims it can only cut up to 12 by 12 inch tile, but again, we will test that on a 2-foot porcelain plank here. It can cut up to 2 inches for depth, and this thing weighs only 15 pounds. Hence, it's extremely compact, lightweight for your smaller tile installation jobs, such as mosaics, backsplashes, and small flooring projects. Let's get right to it. Here are your accessories, your blade, your tools. Here is the water pump. And here's the small 15-pound MK tile saw. Here is your water tray. Your saw fits in just like that. And this thing is small. I've never seen it in person, a lot smaller than I was expecting. You've got a plastic housing here for your motor. You've got a metal housing here for your tile saw blade. You install it here. This is a plastic tray. Here is the fence. Here's your hose for your pump. Right down there. You place your pump into this water tray here. Well, that's it. Not much to it, guys. As usual, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing on this. Let's install the blade. One thing I like about this saw, comes about 98% assembled already. And there you go, let's fill it up with some water. Let's turn it on. Very loud motor, but appears to have quite a bit of power. We will cut ceramic, 3/8 of an inch thick glass, and attempt a 24-inch rip on this porcelain plank. Very clean cut with ceramic. Not surprising to me though. Very powerful motor. It's loud, but it's powerful and it cuts through without any problems. Let's try some glass. Now, one thing to mention right off the bat, this saw is very messy. One small cut and I have water all over the place. Glass. A very clean cut with glass. Let's move on to a 2-foot porcelain plank. It looks like the fence is getting in the way. The porcelain plank is hitting this thumb screw here. I'll simply draw a line and freehand it. Well, there you go. Very powerful motor. It ripped through this porcelain, hard porcelain without a problem. Did not slow the motor down. A clean cut as well. Well, there it is, guys. MK170, good little saw, some pros and cons. The pros, it appears to be built with good quality. It seems like it would last a long time. It would be reliable. The motor is very powerful. It pushes through hard porcelain without a problem. It cuts really clean and it's very small and compact. Now the cons, this saw is very messy. Water spills over in the back, the front, both sides. 2, this cheap fence, it's not very accurate and this knob gets in the way of the material. And 3, the price tag. This thing runs $250. And tell us guys in the comment section below, what is your go-to tabletop tile saw? Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, hit the bell notification for future Tile Tool Tuesday videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.